Missouri S&T's explosives engineering classes are the only college courses in America where instructors teach the art of detonating a huge fireworks display.
We are going to be shooting off a Barge show tonight.
Completing the final exam satisfies the training requirement for a Missouri outdoor fireworks display license.
Opening night, let's go, let's go.
With a state license, students can shoot off their own pyrotechnic display. But first, they have to pass the class, one explosion at a time.
Stuff's going off, boom, boom, boom. What an adrenaline high. We'll grab some quick match, just show you what it's like to light one. Need a volunteer. Start with your left hand, pass it over. Just reach down and light it, and then turn, okay? Yeah. All right, then turn my way. All right, now turn it.
Well, all right then.
See what I mean? It's quick. All right, and turn away. Welcome to the great and wonderful world of pyrotechnics. Yay! Who's not a mining student? Okay, cool. I'm Jerry Vail. I have a master's in explosives. I'm currently working on a doctorate in explosives. I work for at least 4 different companies during the summer, shooting different pyrotechnics, 4th of July shows, fire and brimstone, I can bring it. But in reality, it's hot, dusty, dirty work. But I want you to have a very healthy respect for what we're going to do. A little mantra that we use in the industry is you never put anything over a loaded tube that you're not willing to lose. Part of what we're going to do before the football game is come down, load up our racks. There's a lot of extra work goes into this before you ever get on site. We can walk on up to the magazine room. 4-inch shell. When I talk about electric matches, this is what we're talking about. We'll go over that some more when we shoot our football game displays. What we're going to do, we're going to start by setting our racks up first. We're going to position them probably 2 3s and a 4-inch rack in what we're going to call a battery.
And then that's that.
Okay. I'm a mechanical engineering major. I want to go into entertainment, so this is a really good class for me to take since this is all over the entertainment world. And this was the only university I could find where I could take this class.
I'm a senior computer science major. I saw this class on the online course catalog, and I noticed that part of it took place at my favorite resort at Lake of the Ozarks. So I couldn't pass up the opportunity to blow stuff up and go to my favorite resort.
I like 3 things: fire, chemicals, and chemical fire. I'm a senior in chemical engineering.
Okay, not standing over the tube. Remember, that's a loaded gun barrel. So we're just going to drop it down till you hear it hit bottom. Make a small loop from the inside. Tighten it up on the inside. Let's see, somebody grab a couple of those. We're going to untangle these. This is what we call a finale chain. What do you guys remember about any fireworks show you've seen? What part of it? Anything special? Finale, right? So when I'm setting up, I will typically set my finale off to the side a little bit and protect it. Electronic failure, anything happens during the rest of the show, you've saved the finale. None of the spectators know if you screw up or if something broke. Now we're in standby mode. We're just waiting for showtime. Stand by. 3, 2, 1, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go. Go. Hammer it, hammer it. 219. 219. Job. Good job. Good job.
Wait till we give you the okay.
Let's go check them, bud.
I didn't have any, Jerry. Did you?
Nope.
Fuck
100%. Chance and I have visually inspected the tubes. Everything went. 100% show.
All right.
That's a job well done. Normally you might have 2 to 3, maybe 5% in a larger shell that doesn't go. One of the necessary evils. Cleaning the trash. Good job. I'll see you guys next week.
I took this class because I really enjoy blowing stuff up. I've had the opportunity to do this from a very young age. This past summer I got to put on a 23-minute show. We had everything from just stuff you can go out and buy at a tent all the way up to 10-inch mortars.
Good job, guys. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, I mean, pretty much whenever it bursts, that's kind of your audio cue to go next.
Yeah. I think it's gonna be fun, but I don't want to mess it up, so.
And now at this time, we direct your attention to the skies over the scoreboard for tonight's fireworks show, which is being presented by the Missouri S&T Explosives Engineering Program.
Go. Faster. Should be halfway. Go, go, go. Alright, you're doing good. Good pace. There you go.
I thought I pushed that one button and there was a dud, and I was like, shoot, they missed one. But, I mean, it was great. It was exhilarating, I guess. That'd be the word to say it.
There's one right here that didn't light. They either got pulled or the wires got cut off because it was laying over. Be careful whenever you're laying wires. I've seen like motors going off, rubbing those wires, and it'll short out right there and it won't go. It was a good show. Thanks, guys.
Okay, today, this is fresh as it comes right here, boys and girls. We are going to be shooting off a barge show tonight. Your barge needs to have sufficient strength and stability to withstand what we're about to do to it, okay? You don't want to be shooting your fireworks show, plum, 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 zing, 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 plum, 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 thunk, shh. Now you got water shooting up like a mini Old Faithful. In the unlikely event that that happens, you need to shoot faster.
When I popped the lid off, some black powder came out.
Yeah, it's a little bit, it's cool. I don't know if that's actually just a booster to kick a main charge or if that's part of the main charge. If a little bit comes out, you know, that's fine. Always work with this out towards you and start with a lower number on your left.
Okay. I've been talking to some companies lately. I'm on an online forum thing. And one of the companies that I really want to work at, basically when Beyonce needs a concert, when U2 needs a concert, they call this company to do the staging. They're also branching out. I think they might do some pyro of their own. Drone, sound, like that company does it all. So that's where I want to work. Really big stage stuff.
But you got to do the hair flip. You guys got to do the hair flip.
Yeah, well, it's definitely really hot out. As far as the hands-on stuff, it's not too challenging. It's a lot to take in a short period of time, it seems like, at least in the lectures. It's definitely something I would recommend to anyone who is even vaguely interested in this sort of thing.
Everything's pre-programmed. I put the show together, generated the script for you guys to load your shells from. Matt's going to send me music, and with that music is time code. And when my FM radio receives that time code and the music, it'll fire it in sync with the music. And it knows, because I pre-programmed it, where every shot should be and at what time.
It's not glamorous. Look what we're doing. But it's going to look really cool at the end. So I think it's worth it.
guys, like, even with it just playing on my little phone and 1, 2, 3 go,
especially like the YMCA part.
everything lined up really well.
So support the show, work for the show. So confidence, definitely day one when we were doing a football show, just matching things up, like, okay, if I do this wrong, is it going to explode on me? I don't know, so I'm going to be very careful. Since then, I've learned, okay, this isn't going to explode on me, it's all good. Be fast, because we have clouds coming in, we have a show later, we have 2 shows going on today, so there are fewer of us here. Later, I get to be the one pushing the button, setting the fireworks off, which is super exciting.
I've learned that that explosives and such are only as dangerous as you let them be. I'm comfortable working with these things. At first I started out, I was a bit nervous. I was nervous when things would like go off just for particular explosives in general. But now these are little bombs and it's like, as long as I don't do anything stupid, they'll be fine. We can have a happy little relationship here.
I've been applying to internships at theme parks for next semester. Various theme parks will do fireworks shows. Also, you have some big stage shows, which is more close proximity pyrotechnics stuff.
Are those all going in like this queue, or?
Yeah, leave that last where I can't see.
Okay. I definitely feel like I know a lot more of what I'm doing. I'm a lot more comfortable dropping these shells in, for instance. I didn't really expect that I would be hand lighting anything at all. It seemed like one of those things that would be too dangerous to have a lot of students doing, so I just figured it was unlikely. It's kind of terrifying, but it also sounds fun, so I'm looking forward to it.
All right, let's go. Hop on up there, buddy. Light it. Take a deep breath. You're gonna be fine. Hey, light a couple, go. There you go. Next one, pull 2 off. Light 2, go. You did all right, man. Believe it or not.
It was a really cool experience.
A lot of adrenaline.
Yeah, definitely.
High energy.
Yeah.
And there are unexpected things that happen, like your flare going out and all that, but...
Like, I look at the flare, and the flare is just, like, it's normal fire, it's not flare fire.
Right.
And I'm just like, I'm trying to get it to light with just the normal fire, and then by the time I get it to the other hand to, like, show chance that it was messed up, it was, like, completely out. And I was just like, what the hell is this?
So I got 21.
Cool beans.
Doing good?
Yep, sounds good. Don't touch anything.
Yeah. Bam, 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 bam is really the only thing going through there. Yeah, picking a rhythm, hoping it looks good. Otherwise, like, if anything bad goes wrong, I'm over here, I can't do anything about it. It's like now I'm starting to feel it, like, okay, come on, it's showtime, let's do it. Opening night, let's go, let's go.
That's some of the best advice Dr. Worsey ever gave me, because it's just another show. Stand by.
Standing by.
3, 2, 1, go.
Got it.
2. Go, switch.
Switch.
Switch, switch, switch. Real slow. Got it. Good job. Good job. Hit that right on the money. Good deal. Woo! Yeah, good job. There you go. Good job. Good job. Outstanding. Oh, look at the smoke.
Woo!
Key off.
Off.
Best show I ever seen.
Why didn't you tell me you were smoking the field up? We can go ahead and unhook.
Power down?
Yeah, go ahead and power down.